If you often take notes, you will definitely run into these problems. It's hard to fix mistakes, or even after fixing them, it doesn't look good. Once you write down a section of content, you can't rearrange it anymore. You may need to carry a lot of tools to create a well-organized note. If you record a lot of content, searching can become a very big problem. If you take handwritten notes during a class, you may not be able to keep up with the pace of the lecture, and you might miss a lot of key information. In math notes, drawing shapes is also very time-consuming. In addition, plain text notes can feel quite limited, and you may need to add images. Most importantly, once you forget to bring your notebook, your entire day could be affected. When sharing with others, you can only take photos page by page or scan them. But all of these problems can be solved with just an iPad, a pencil, and Notability, which provides an excellent handwriting experience. Hi everyone, this is Paperless Lab. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share some key tips for the 2026 version of Notability. In my previous videos, I've also shared many tips about iPad paperless learning and iPad productivity. If you're interested in my content, feel free to subscribe. Now, let's open Notability and see how it solves the problems of traditional paper notes. First, it provides undo and redo functions. You can use a 2-finger tap to undo and a 3-finger tap to redo. It also provides an eraser tool that can quickly remove mistakes without leaving any marks. The eraser supports different sizes, allowing you to switch between fast erasing and more precise editing. It also has a full erase option that removes all complete, continuous strokes, improving efficiency. If you choose partial erase, you can make more detailed adjustments. One thing to note is that after erasing, the tool will automatically switch back to the previously used tool, so you don't need to manually switch again. If you don't want it to switch back and prefer to keep using the eraser, you can tap the icon in the top right, go to Settings, then note Editing, Handwriting, and Drawing, and turn off the Auto Deselect Eraser option. If you want to clear an entire page, you can tap the page icon in the top right, select the page thumbnail, then tap the icon at the bottom left of the thumbnail to clear or delete the current page. Next, let's look at how Notability helps us with efficient layout. After finishing a page of notes, if you want to reorganize the structure, you can use the Lasso tool at the top to select and drag content. The freeform lasso allows you to select irregular content, while the rectangular lasso helps you quickly select structured areas. In addition to dragging content, you can also resize and rotate it. From the top menu, you can access more features, such as adjusting pen thickness, changing colors, copying, deleting, converting to text, or converting to math. Overall, with the Lasso tool, you can freely organize your notes without needing to plan the structure in advance. Since Notability provides a wide range of tools, you don't need to carry multiple note-taking tools anymore, which saves both money and space. You only need one pencil to complete all your work. If you think the original Apple Pencil is expensive, you can also choose an alternative, such as the EIP Pencil X that I'm currently using. It offers very fine strokes with almost no latency. It also provides palm rejection, so you can comfortably rest your hand on the iPad while writing. If you want a writing experience closer to paper, I also recommend using a paper-like screen protector, which adds friction and makes writing feel more natural. After finishing your notes, you can remove it since it is reusable and even washable. After using the pencil, you can attach it magnetically to the iPad for storage. If you have a battery widget on your iPad home screen, you can check the battery level of the pencil and other Bluetooth devices in real time. You can also customize more features in the app, including sensitivity, tail button actions, LED indicator display, auto sleep time, and auto reconnect. The tail button actions feature is very interesting, as you can assign various shortcuts, such as taking a screenshot or returning to the home screen. If you use your iPad with a Magic Keyboard, typing while writing, the EIP Hyperkeys keyboard also provides some interesting features. What I find most useful is the shortcut keys. I can write with a pencil while switching tools using keyboard shortcuts. This keyboard is very lightweight, has a comfortable typing experience, and supports multiple backlight colors. When storing it, you can use the magnetic clasp to secure the pencil and prevent it from getting lost. All of these tools, combined with an iPad, are everything you need without requiring any additional devices. This is because more options are already built into Notability, such as pens, ballpoint pens, pencils, different colored brushes, highlighters, erasers, and rulers, all simulated through software. In addition, Notability provides a wide variety of templates. When creating a notebook, you can set templates in advance, such as landscape or portrait layouts, choose different line styles, customize line spacing, select background colors, or create your own. You can also choose more templates below, such as Cornell notes, study planners, music sheets, or monthly planners. One iPad is equivalent to many different notebooks, so you don't need to purchase paper notebooks anymore. You can also organize your notes on the home page, create folders and subfolders, and move different subjects into corresponding folders. If you have recorded a lot of content and forget the details or where you wrote something, you don't need to worry about searching. Notability provides highly accurate handwriting recognition. You just need to enter a keyword in the top right search area, tap the result, and it will automatically locate and highlight the content. You can also search from the home page, which allows you to find content across all your notes. You can also swipe from the left side of the screen, long press a note, and open it on the right side, allowing you to work on two notes at the same time. If you prefer vertical writing, you can also open another note at the bottom for split screen use. In classes or meetings, handwritten notes often can't keep up with the pace of speaking, so it's easy to miss key information. That's why Notability includes a recording feature. You can tap the icon to start recording, tap again to stop, and the icon will change to playback mode. You can view the progress bar and adjust playback speed and volume. One important detail is that if you are writing while recording, the app will sync your handwriting with the audio timeline. When you tap a specific note, the recording will jump to that exact moment. If you are using the Pro version of Notability, it can also convert recordings into text and automatically generate notes. If you enable line smoothing and shape detection in settings, drawing shapes becomes very easy, whether it's circles, rectangles, triangles, or more complex shapes. You can also use a ruler tool to draw precise lines with measurements. This effectively solves the difficulty of drawing shapes in paper notes. To make your notes more engaging, you can insert photos, stickers, or GIFs, and also add sticky notes for additional information. With paper notes, you must carry your notebook with you whenever you need it. But with Notability, your notes can be accessed across multiple devices at any time. You don't need to carry your iPad or Mac. Even an iPhone is enough. If you want to share your notes, you don't need to take photos or scan pages like paper notes. You can directly export them as PDFs or images and share them with anyone. You can also export them in Notability format, so others can continue editing or adding content. Alright, that's everything I wanted to share today. If you are considering whether to subscribe to Notability, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.